What's up guys, in this video, I'll show you how to use auto-pick in Fantasy Premier League or FPL. The fastest way to build your team if you're short on time or just getting started. First, open the Fantasy section in the Premier League mobile app. If you haven't created a team yet, tap on Pick Team or Select Team. Instead of manually choosing each player, scroll down and tap Auto-Pick. This button is usually at the bottom of the team selection screen. Once you hit auto-pick, the system will automatically fill your squad using a preset algorithm that balances budget, positions, and player popularity. You'll get a valid 15-man team with 2 goalkeepers, 5 defenders, 5 midfielders, and 3 forwards, all under the £100 million budget cap. You can either stick with that team or use it as a starting point and swap out players manually. Don't forget to hit save your team once you're happy with the selections. And that's how to use auto-pick in FPL. It's perfect for beginners or last minute entries. Thanks for watching.